Chapter 1, Section 6, page 2. An angle is formed by two rays that meet at an endpoint. And in this problem, in this picture, we can call it all different kind of things. We could call it angle B, which isn't a very good one because later on you'll find out if it has more than two lines coming out of it. You really don't want to call it that. You could call it angle 1. You could call it angle TBQ. Or you could call it angle QBT. Notice I said B in the middle for each one of these because that's your vertex. The vertex will always be in the middle when you're talking about angles. All right, next one. What type of angle is this? This is an acute angle. An acute angle is between 0 and 90. Acute. The next one is a right angle. And it has a little symbol here. So this is a right angle. This always lets you know it's a right angle, which x then is equal to 90 degrees. The next one is an obtuse angle. And that's between 90 and 180. And then the last one is a straight angle, which is 180 degrees. And I always tell the story about how I remember the difference between acute and obtuse. Well, obtuse sounds like obese. Obese is a big person or a big thing. So obtuse, obese. Acute would be a nice, small young lady. She would be acute in my book. All right, acute angle, and it's good to write these out. An acute angle has a measure between 0 and 90. A right angle has a measure equal to 90. An obtuse angle has a measure between 90 and 180. And a straight angle has a measure of 180. And congruent angles are angles with the same measure. Also congruent. Congruent means same measure or equal. All right, naming angles. The name can be numbers between the sides of the angle. So angle 3. The name can be the vertex of the angle, angle G. Finally, the name can be the point on one side, the vertex, and a point on the other side of the angle. So angle CGA or angle AGC. So once again, looking at this, we can name it angle G, which isn't a good one. We can name it angle 3, the vertex, we could name it angle CGA, and we could name it angle AGC. Measuring the classified angles, okay. If you take a look and you're trying to use a protractor, what you want to do is, if the line is coming here and the angle is always at the 0 point, so the vertex of the angle is always here, and if the line was coming here, you would read this 0 over here, and you would read these numbers on the outside. If the line was over here from O to B, and you were reading this coming out like this, then you would go with the numbers on the inside, because the line started here and it went on around until you get to here, which in this case is going to be 120. So either this angle is 60 or this angle is 120. All right, so if I'm going from here and I'm reading it up this way, it says find angle AOC, AOC. So this is going to be 60 degrees, which is an acute angle. And in this one, angle AOC is going to be an obtuse angle. And it's going, excuse me, AOC. So it's 0 is here. I'm coming up through here. So that means if the 0's over here, I got to go this way, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, so on. So this is 150 degrees. And it's going to be an obtuse angle, or angle AOC. And then the last one, addition postulate, angle 1 is 42. Again, don't be scared to come mark up your paper. Angle ABC, ABC, so the whole thing is 88. So I got to find this. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to the whole angle, which in this case, angle ABC. So angle 1 is 42 plus angle 2, we don't know. We'll say X for now, is equal to the whole thing, which is 88. So to answer this, I'm going to subtract 42 from both sides, and then I'll get X equals 46. But I'm not done yet, because it says find angle 2, which I did, 46. So 46 and 42 will give me 88. So that's it.